Hello, so welcome students. I'm going to talk about one of the problems from the Pearson website, it's problem number 5. And I want to talk about how to graph it and solve it. So first off, our first inequality is just we have y is greater than 3x minus 4. So our b value, our y-intercept, is equal to -4, and our slope is equal to 3. So I'm going to go over here to my graphing problem, and I'm going to hit the little magnifying glass there. And I have this tool button here. The second tool that's on the buttons or the icons is our line tool. And my y-intercept is -4, so I'm going to click that point, 0, -4. And then my slope is 1, 2, 3, right 1. Okay, let me double check. 1, 2, 3, right 1. Yep, so that's my slope. I'm going to shade above because 0 is greater than -4. And I need to double check my line here because right now my line is solid. I need to make sure that that line is dotted because my symbol is greater than, it's not equal to. All right, so we have that one equation graphed, and now we need to deal with the second inequality. So the second inequality, I'm going to have to do a little bit of work. So I have 4x is less than or equal to 8. Oops, wrong tool. The eraser tool. And then I'm going to add x. So then that's going to give me 4y is less than or equal to x plus 8. I'm going to divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. So y is going to be less than or equal to 1/4 x plus 8 divided by 4 is 2. So I have a y-intercept of 2, and my slope is going to be positive 1/4. So I'm going to go back over to my graph, and I'm going to click my line tool again. I'm going to go to positive 2, and my slope is positive. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, or up 1, then right 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. This is where some of the expression of issues may come into play. My line needs to be solid because it's solid, and I would shade below my graph. Okay, because if I look, let's look at our graph, look at our inequality. So it says y is less than or equal to 1/4 x plus 0. So if we plug in, or plus 2, so if we plug in our coordinate point 0, 0, that means that we would have 0 is less than or equal to 2. That's true. So we need to make sure that we're shaded below. Well, since we're talking about where the shaded regions, the inequalities, solutions to the inequalities will overlap, we want to get rid of that one that's going to be above. So I need to select that little bucket picture, and I'm going to hit delete, and that will delete the incorrect region that we don't want to have shaded. So we're only going to shade the region where the inequality solutions overlap. So now I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to check my answer, and I got my correct answer, so I know that I'm correct. All right, I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, I will talk about problem number 3. All right, see you then.